today. So your car is in today due to some abnormal noises coming from your engine. Now, as you can see, I do have your top end torn down here. And if you take a look, this is your exhaust camshaft right here, and this is your intake camshaft. Now, what I did find is that the adjuster on your intake camshaft has a lot of play. So hopefully you can hear that there. That is the spring in there failing, causing heavy play between your adjuster and your actual camshaft. So we will need to replace this camshaft in order to rectify your issue. Along with that, I did want to give you a look here at your roller rockers, only on your intake side where that faulty cam was. As you can see here, they have worn only on half of the roller rocker due to that faulty adjuster. So we will need to replace these roller rockers on the intake side as well with the camshaft. Other than that, though, everything else in the vehicle is looking very good. So with that being said, all I have for you today, just those roller rockers along with that camshaft. So I would like to thank you for choosing Audi.